Hello everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be sharing my brand new kit. In the very first instance, I have to say a massive thank you to my lovely friend Lou, who has helped me design this kit. So we've done it together, worked together, we've worked brilliantly together, bouncing ideas off of each other, and we've created this together. So this will be for sale in my Ko-fi, the link's in the description below. It's quite a large kit. I think we've done about 36 pages, so we may well split it into two and put some of the background papers in a separate kit. But, you know, the price point is always low for my kits, so don't worry, it's not going to be expensive. So 36 pages. So it's going to be called, now this may change, Shabby Winter Blues is my first thought, but as I'm filming this I haven't fully decided, but it will be in the title. So this first sheet here is a beautiful collage sheet of some of the images that are used throughout the kit. Now this sheet will be available as a introductory freebie, like a taster, in my Facebook group on Friday this week. So whether you'll see this video on the Friday or on the Saturday, I'm not sure, but this will be available for free to my Facebook group members only, okay, and the link for that's in the description below. Alright, so let's get started. So here's another beautiful journaling page with these lovely romanticised kind of scenes with all the nice blurring and the blending. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm really thrilled with it. So it is a Shabby Winter. It's mainly in blue tones, and there's some pink sheets, are very soft to kind of for layering, you know, for different tones, but it's mostly blues. And it is winter. There's, you know, the odd nod towards Christmas with pine trees and snow, but there's no specific Christmas or holiday related items. It's just winter. Okay, and this is another one, and this one's got a script background. We've got this beautiful vintage girl here. Absolutely love it. And some beautiful layering here with the receipt underneath, and the blue jay and the stag there, or the deer, and the winter birds. Okay, and then this one is the beautiful blue jays, the winter birds again. The lovely soft, look at the blending there. It's absolutely dreamy. I'm really thrilled with how it's turned out. So we have together been learning and experimenting with different techniques on Photoshop, and I think we've just about got it nailed, to be honest. There's another beautiful one. I do like to keep my journal pages quite free. So, you know, you'll see them with images, but not massive collage with loads of things everywhere, because I want people to be able to write on them and also add their own spin. I think when something's really busy and there's loads of images, you don't know what to, well, what else can you add to it? You can't. And if you want to put your own spin on it, then you want to be able to add to it and not, you know, have it overwhelm you. So there you go. So to me, the detail comes with the ephemera and the journaling cards and things like that. Alright, so this is one of the pinks. So it's not a screaming pink, it's quite a soft vintage pink that I've chosen, and we've just got the little clusters at each end so that you can obviously just very simply turn it into a journaling page right away. And all you need to do is print on the other side. There's lots of background pages, so you can turn it over and print on the other side. And this has just got these lovely winter florals here. Okay, and then we've got a tone on tone plain collage sheet. Beautiful. So those are the main journal pages. Okay, then I've done some envelopes. Now all of the envelopes will print out you know, to a decent size. I think these are about 4 1/4 by about 6. If you want them smaller, obviously print 2 to a page. Okay, so here we're using this lovely vintage girl again. Beautiful. Let me just press focus. And this one has got the beautiful deer. Nice faded out wintry background, and we've got the snowflakes there. It's beautiful. And then this one is the lovely blue jays again, the lovely winter birds, stunning. And this one is the lovely snowy wintry scene. Okay, and they're all different shapes to make them a little bit different, you know, so that they're not all the same. There's another one somewhere. Ah, here it is. So this is what I call a fancy topped one. So this has got the like scalloped edge. We've used the collage there and then added a winter kind of cluster there for a pop of colour. So each of those is different shapes so that they're not all the same. Like I say, 2 to a page if you want them smaller. Okay, and then we've done some tags. Now these are small tags. I like to have small tags and large tags, so these are the smaller tags. Okay, and then we've also done a page of backgrounds. So if you can either print on the back plain, or you can leave them white and ink them, or you can cut these out and stick them on the back, so you've got patterned backs. Okay. And then here are some larger tags with the lovely winter birds and the lovely deer or stag there. Okay. Then we've got some ephemera. We've got some beautiful journaling cards. Let me just zoom out ever so slightly. So these are the beautiful blended image ones turned into journaling cards with extras added. So they're stunning. Okay. And then these have got like notepaper at the back. So that you can write or add notes or, you know, whichever. So you've got a mixture of highly decorated and not highly decorated. Then we've got a page of labels in the coordinating colours for the kit. So the kind of tealy blue, this has been darkened ever so slightly so that if you put it on one of the pages it will stand out, so it's just ever so slightly darker. And then we've got this pretty pink again. Okay, I've left them, rather than put numbers or words in, I've left them plain because I think people more than likely got stamps. You could then do whatever you want in them. They're left plain so that you can do what you want. Okay, then we've got a fussy cut page with loads of little images that have been shrunk down to add pops of colour and interest. We've got some stamps and, you know, little photos that have been used in the kit and then altered. So there's plenty there to fussy cut and make your little clusters or your little hidden paper clips, add to pockets, things like that. Then we've got this large ephemera here. This is a map and it kind of homes in on the North Pole because we're on about winter. So yeah, nice and snowy. And then here is a horticultural receipt for Christmas trees. But, you know, it kind of fits in with the idea of winter without specifically being Christmas. So those are nice. And then here we have the background papers. Now I do think that these are going to go in a separate kit because there's quite a few of them and some are similar but in different layouts. So here we've got the blue with white music on and that's in portrait. We've got a script in portrait. The blues are just beautiful. Okay, and then this one's like a bleached out mottled one in the blues. Then we've got the lovely kind of pattern there and this one's got slightly tinge of vintage around the edge with the pinks underneath. There's another one, beautiful patterns, and then there's one that's got a zero of that kind of grungy look around the edge because I'm not a massive fan of the grunge around the edge, so I did one that didn't have it. So then if you want to ink in your blue colours then it'll show up nicer. Okay, then we've got the snowflake pattern which you saw on the envelopes. And then we've got a plainer one here with a white distressed edge. Then we've got the script in landscape, so if you wanted to use it as a journal. So we've got it in portrait with the writing going that way and in landscape so that you can use it both ways. Okay, same here with the music. That's blown up a full page in landscape. And then we've got it where it's like a journal page, so it's split into two. So that's blown up across one page and this is in two sections for a journal page. Okay, then we've got the script in the pink in portrait and the music and the pattern and the snowflakes. So perfect for layering. So you've got different orientations of paper. The landscape ones will go for plain journal pages And then the portrait ones would be great if you were making albums or folios, things like that, or just for ripping up as backgrounds. So we've kind of thought about every instance that we can so that, you know, sometimes you'll think, oh, I like that, but I wish it was the other way around. We've kind of made sure there's a collection of everything. So 36 pages is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be making a full journal with this, and then I will be selling the journal. I've already done the bit. Well, I've made a start on the base because I was so excited to start at the base before the kit was actually finished. So if you'd like to purchase the kit, like I say, I think it is going to be in 2 parts, but it will still be extremely reasonably priced, as always, with all of my digital work. I keep it to a good cost so that it's affordable to everybody. So there you go. I hope you like that, and yeah, I will be back intermittently, maybe doing some crafting as I make my journal. Maybe I might not, and I might get carried away and come back with just a flip through. But also you will be seeing some of my design team using this kit round and about. So yeah, don't forget to come and join the Facebook group to grab that freebie so you can have a look at the colours and the tones that have been used. Kind of like a little bit of a try before you buy, I guess. Yeah, so the link to the Ko-fi's in the description below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye!